Now what we're looking at here is called a splash block. It's one of the simplest and smartest things you can use if your downpipes aren't connected to stormwater. Have you ever looked where your downpipe comes out and the water is coming at a rate of knots off the roof and you're getting erosion? Well, it's not just aesthetically unpleasing, it can also cause damage to your foundations, and it's just from the force of the water hitting the ground. Well, with the splash block, installation doesn't get any easier than that. You put it in place, the water comes down at a rate of knots. The diamond pattern here and the fact that it widens out slows the water down so it can move across any hard surface or just gently go into your garden and water your lawn and your plants. Installation, dead easy, a few dollars to save you thousands and protect your home. It comes in a range of colours. You can get the mist green, black or stone if you want to try and match it to pavers or something to do with the house. It's 100% Australian plastic, 100% recycled and 100% Australian made. How good's that?